Hi sailors! Welcome to Builderfly Sailor University. This video is to help you understand your Builderfly dashboard. To navigate to your Builderfly dashboard, type www.builderfly.com in your browser and log into your Builderfly account with your registered email address and password. This is your Builderfly dashboard. Builderfly dashboard lets you manage different frontiers of your e-commerce business with powerful one management. Central section of your dashboard gives you a brief report of your store in terms of visitors, customers, orders received, net sales. You can change the timeline of this for the last 10, 20 or 30 days from here. Use the tabs of left section to navigate to Builderfly features. The first in order is the Product tab. Here is where you can view all your products, add new ones, export and import your catalog, create and update product categories, add and manage product reviews. You can add products one by one as well as via bulk upload. The Order tab is where you can view all the orders, process shipments, manage product returns. From the Customer tab, you can view, add, and manage all of your customers' database. The Settings tab lets you manage your staff accounts and narrow their access to your Builderfly account. From here, you can connect your domain, update payment, shipping, and text settings. Moreover, you can view and edit ready email templates we have available for you. The major features of e-commerce are divided into three segments: Viz, Build, Market, and Grow. We will be navigating to these one by one. First, walking you to the Build section. From here, you can build your online store, design your mobile app, choose a professional theme for your online store, and customize both your online store and mobile app to add your personal touch with our easy-to-use design editor tool. Market section unlocks the access to the tools that can guide you with the powerful tactics to promote your products online. Here, under the General section, you can create discounts, write interactive blogs to leverage the benefits of content marketing, start with SMS and WhatsApp marketing, and save on your abundant carts. Further, you can improve your user engagement with your monthly newsletters. Check Builderfly Analytics to view your sales and product reports for better understanding of your store's performance. This section is dedicated to diversify the reach of your business by adding more sales channels. From here, you can open a shop on Facebook in a single click. You can sell on Google Marketplace, start selling on Amazon. Also, you can live stream from your Builderfly store and make sales in real time. Soon, we'll be coming with a Builderfly Resellers channel that lets you sell your products with our network of resellers. On the top right side, click on your Profile section. From here, you can update your user profile from the My Account section. View your subscription plan, upgrade your plan clicking on a subscription. If you get stuck anywhere, you can visit Builderfly Help Center. To connect with the support team, you can raise tickets from the Support Ticket section. To keep your store checked for the latest updates in the Updates and Release section. That's all about Builderfly Dashboard. We'll take you to each of these sections and guide you about all the features one by one in the coming tutorials. Thank you for watching this. We'll see you in the next tutorial.